Good morning, everyone. Today we got dropped back off at the picnic area. That's where we got picked up last night to go into Silver City. If we would have walked these miles last night, we would have missed all of the restaurants. So we're back here to connect our footsteps like a couple psychopaths. Not sure why Sonic's been the move on this trail, but it's really been hitting. I only have like 6 more days to be like a thru hiker before I am going on a big cleanse, fast, whatever. So I'm gonna live it up. Resupply at the co-op in Silver City. So cool. Gila gila. Silver City has an amazing food co-op. Love it when I find places like that. But this is my resupply to Lordsburg. It's only gonna take us like 2.5 days or so. But this is what I'm bringing. Gonna check the visitor center out while we do our laundry. Silver City, the gateway to the CDT. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Next stop, a beverage.
They're both wearing his ring.
Here it is. And then we ended the night eating at the Little Toad Creek Brewery, and it was absolutely delicious. Well, I bought a bunch of Christmas gifts for my family. I'm thinking I was gonna send everything home today, and it's Veterans Day. Of course it's Veterans Day. Today we're eventually gonna leave Silver City, get back on the trail. But first, I'm gonna try to go to the UPS store and get this sent home because I really don't want to carry this for the next 80 miles. Anyway, I'm frustrated. Sorry, this is not a good way to start out the video. We'll try again here in a minute once I get this taken care of. On the bright side, a very beautiful day. Should be some easy walking today. I think it's like a road walk. We're gonna try to get 20 miles or so accomplished. Get into Lordsburg possibly tomorrow, so I don't know, we'll see what happens. All right, I got the package sent off at UPS. All is right in the world. Now we get a sandwich and hike out. Oh my gosh, look at this sandwich.
Is that right?
Burrow Mountain Range. We'll be climbing over one of these mountains tomorrow. Got a really pretty sunset. And we are almost off this road. Finally getting off the highway onto a dirt road. I hate these things. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. back into the national forest where we belong. Okay, we're at our first water source. There's a dead bird today in our water source. He's, oh, how did that happen? There was like a dead squirrel floating around in here, I think, a few days ago, but I guess he either disintegrated or somebody took him out. Yummy! Yummy, yummy. Alright, finished filtering our dead bird water. And I think we're gonna go like 8 more to a campsite. Possibly, pending. So, I can't really capture it on camera, but the moon is almost full. I don't know what the percent is tonight, but it's bright enough to where we were able to walk without our headlamps on for a long while. It was kind of like a dirt road, and now we're on trail and there's some trees, so I have the headlamp on because I just don't want to trip and fall. But we're about 0.9 or so to camp. There's a campsite in 0.9 that we saw on Far Out, so we're going to check that out and see if we like it. If not, we'll go 2 miles to the next campsite. So, yeah, today will be a close to 20-mile day, which I would say is pretty good because we didn't leave town till 1. And that will leave us with like 225s into Lordsburg, but we'll probably try to push closer to a 30-mile day tomorrow. And that way we can get into Lordsburg midday, and I'm gonna have to get my ducks in a row there, book a flight home, figure out how the heck I'm getting home, all of that kind of stuff. You also have to schedule water caches through that last section because water's so scarce, and a shuttle from the southern terminus border monument to I don't know where, but I know that the road out there is really rough. And anyway, more on that later. But that's what we have to do once we get to Lordsburg. But yeah, first we gotta get to camp. These are all the pokies and spikies. Ow! And yeah, it's a really, really pretty night tonight. There's Silver City twinkling in the background. Good night, y'all. See you tomorrow.